Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You've got the image and permission. Now start. Open Discord, select the server, and click the server name drop-down immediately. Choose Server Settings, then Overview to access the icon control. Once you're in Overview, hover the current server icon and click it to open the file picker. Make sure your image meets size and format rules so Discord accepts it. If you're on mobile, tap the three dots, select Settings, then Edit Server to reach the same icon option. You'll now upload and fine-tune the picture. Click the server icon control and select Upload Image. Pick the prepared 512x512 file. Use the crop tool to position the focal point inside the circular frame, zoom in or out so key content stays visible. Once you've positioned it, preview how it looks at different sizes. Small icons can hide details, so simplify if needed. On mobile, pinch to zoom and drag to reposition. Finish by clicking Save Changes so Discord stores the new icon. You should see it update instantly, but sometimes clients need a refresh. Log out or reload Discord if it doesn't appear. If the upload fails, confirm you have managed server permission, that the file is PNG/JPEG under 8 MB, and that the aspect is square. Convert or compress the image if needed. One troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or have another admin re-upload if you still can't change the icon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.